Let's change the hybrid battery of a Toyota Alphard. This 2012 Toyota Alphard came in with hopes of fixing its hybrid system failure. After being driven for 83,000 kilometers, its hybrid batteries no longer hold a full charge. And the electric driving distance has also shortened. Learning that the EnnoCar Hybrid Battery is not only far more cost-effective than the original, but also provides a 3-year warranty and the best price guarantee, the owner came to us. The Toyota Alphard's hybrid battery pack is enclosed in a metal case and is rigidly mounted in the center console. Upon removing the cover of the center console, before doing anything else, we need to remove this orange safety plug. Now, it is safe to unscrew the nuts and bolts and lift open the upper metal casing. The next step is to disconnect more wires from this hybrid battery junction box. And unscrew more nuts and bolts to reveal the battery modules. We remove the outer casing of the hybrid batteries. Now, the modules of the batteries are revealed. Remove the last few nuts that are keeping the hybrid battery modules together. Now take all hybrid battery modules apart. For better car performance, the owner decided to replace all hybrid battery modules with EnnoCar prismatic replacement hybrid batteries. After putting all the components in place, the hybrid battery is now ready to go back into the car. Finally, the ready light is back on. What vehicles would you like to see next? Like, subscribe, and leave your suggestions in the comment section below.